Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection. And are you looking for a Suzuki Jimny that has 5 doors? Well, guess what? Your wish has come true, because that is what we have here today. This very special Suzuki Jimny. Now this Suzuki Jimny still has the same 1.5 litre engine, automatic gearbox and 4-wheel drive. In today's video, I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. So this Jimny has the 1.5 litre petrol engine with an automatic gearbox, and with that you get a fuel economy of around 41 miles to the gallon. It has 101 brake horsepower. This Jimny has got 2 keys, tax is £230 for the year, and first registered in July 2025, this car has covered just 40 miles. So we're going to take a walk around and, well, take a walk around because there's not really any damage, seeing as it's a new car. But I'll take a slow stroll around the front here, show you the bonnet. There's the windscreen. Take a look at this front driver's quarter. Everything's all looking good. Take a look at the rear door. Again, very special for a Jimny. Show you that wheel. Take a look around the back here. As you can see, it is the Nomade. Very unique here in the UK. Onto the passenger side. Not much to say. That is about it. Let's take a look inside. So we'll just open up the boot here. Well, boot, whatever you want to call it. You've got lots of room here, a lot more than the 3-door Jimnys. And like the 3-door Jimnys, these 2 seats easily fold down, like so, giving you extra space. There is also a 12-volt socket in the back here. And for the first time ever, I'm opening up the back door of a Jimny to show you the rear seats. I'll just fold these back up and show you how easy it is, just like that. So you do get ISOFIX points in these 2 rear seats, and you also have electric windows in the back. So we'll just take a look in the front here. As you can see, there is a lot of the factory packaging still in place, and the floor mats just there on the seat, on the steering wheel over the badge, and the same with the passenger side. So safe to say the dash is in very good condition. Again, new. So down here you've got your stop start button. As long as you've got your key in your pocket, it will start. Electric folding mirrors. Got your cruise controls, steering mounting controls. You've got your center console there. With that you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's your climate controls. Down here you have got your windows. There's your automatic gear stick, your 4-wheel drive to high and low range, heated seats and your handbrake. Start the car up, so I've got my foot on the brake, just press the button there, pull the handbrake down, and we'll just take a look at the dash. And as you can see, I've started it up from cold, so the cold light is on, but there is no warning lights there on the dash. And as you can see, the odometer does read 38 miles. I'll show you the screen here. There you go, you've got on here, if we go to home, it does display we've got DAB, and if we go home again, we have also got Android Auto, which is there, and Apple CarPlay, which will be activated through USB just here in the glove box. It will be registered for the UK use. It'll come with a 1-year warranty, and it'll have a service ahead of delivery. Now, if you like this car, you can secure the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do offer finance and delivery also. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them, but thank you for watching.